what's up guys? I'm Ross, your mattress expert from RealMattressReviews.com. So today I was going to show you guys the unboxing and my first impression on the new Happsy latex hybrid mattress. So this is offered in a couple different versions. They've got the regular Happsy here, and then they have an upgrade with their natural latex topper. The mattress itself is priced very competitively for a natural hybrid mattress. The queens currently come in at $11.99 with any coupons available, which you can find at RealMattressReviews.com. So the mattress is natural latex. It uses wool in the top quilting foam. It's got a zip-off cover, the good quantum edge coil. Coils come all the way out to the sides of the mattress. It's going to give you good edge support. So what I'll do is I'll let you guys see the quick unpacking of this, and then we'll jump back over it and I'll give you guys my first impression, and we'll briefly talk about the construction, how the mattress feels before I start my full sleep trial. Alright guys, I'll let you watch the unpacking. Alright guys, now that you've seen it unpacked, we'll just talk briefly about the construction. I'm going to dive really deep into all of this and how it performs for us during our sleep trial on the mattress, so stay tuned for that. But this will give you guys a good first impression on the mattress and some quick information to help you guys maybe make a choice right now if you're planning on doing so. So this starts off, it's got an organic cotton cover. The cover is removable. Underneath that you've got wool, which adds this nice little cushiony softness above that latex. And then you've got 2 inches of latex and 8-inch coils. And then, as I mentioned, they have a 2-inch topper that uses the same fabric that you can add on for additional plushness and softness if you like kind of a softer mattress. So as I mentioned, currently the queens are $11.99. With the topper, what's on their site right now, it would be $15.98 if you wanted to get that extra softness with the topper. So I haven't felt the mattress. Unpacking it was pretty standard for the online market. Roll packed, pops open. This expanded very quickly. I pretty much could have slept on it immediately. I would recommend, if you have a few hours in between when you're going to sleep on it and when you open it, that's helpful. The natural ones aren't really going to have any off-gassing. You're still going to have a new mattress smell. Sometimes latex has, a pretty distinct smell in itself. So, but any of that will dissipate over time. But right away, if you're worried about off-gassing, you're not going to have to worry about that here. So latex is traditionally a very bouncy, fast-reacting foam. So as you can see here, the foam response is pretty much instantaneously with that latex and then the pocket coils underneath. So I'll just lay on it here, give you guys my first impression. So I do like the wool layer on top. It adds a little cushion before you hit the latex. For me, sometimes latex is a little stiff. This adds a little more softness on the very top. But it's, most latex beds, in my opinion, are on the firmer side of medium. I would say that goes for the Happsy as well. I would probably put this at about a 6.5 to 7 out of 10, with 10 being the firmest. So it is, I guess, as I lay here on my side, it's definitely soft enough for most side sleepers. Keep in mind, I'm 200, 210 pounds, so I'm going to sink in a little bit easier. A lighter person might not sink in quite as easily, so maybe the topper edition could be a good choice for you. But overall, I think it's a good firmness level that's going to work for combination sleepers. Sleeping in all 3 different positions. It's got a good amount of bounce. With the latex and coils, you're not going to have a stuck feeling at all. As I'm on the edge here, I'm not really getting that roll off the bed feeling or anything either. So overall, I think the quality is very good here. For $11.99, in the natural market, that's a very competitive price. Got a nice soft side panel. So, first impressions, I think it's a good quality option for those of you looking for that natural hybrid. And it should work good for most sleeping positions. and pretty much most weights as well. So what's gonna happen next? We're gonna start our full sleep trial on the Happsy coming up soon, and then I'll follow up with a full comprehensive review. We'll do some performance testing. I'll talk about how it performed for us, and then ultimately who I think it might be a good fit for. So stay tuned for that. If you're not sure this is the right one for you yet, head back to realmattressreviews.com. We have tons of other great reviews, and you can shoot me an email if you guys have any questions. You can hit the link below in the description to jump right over to the full review of the Happsy as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Have a good day.